Hey guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of DesignBundles.net. Today for Design School, we're going to talk about bulk importing your files that you purchase from DesignBundles.net. Whenever you get these awesome bundles that they put together, you find yourself with a lot of files and you're not really sure what to do with them or how to handle them. What I would suggest is the ones that you think you will use the most often, you can go ahead and put in your Silhouette library so you're able to access them quickly, and the other ones you should file away on your computer. If you overload the Silhouette library with too many files, it will take a super long time for it to start up because it has to load all of your fonts and all of your files every time it starts up. So you are able to put as many as you want to on there, so it's totally up to you, a personal preference. I want to show you how to do it and then you decide how you want to use this. Okay, so first of all, if you go into Silhouette Studio and go to File, Library, you can go ahead and open up your library. This is your library folder. Now, underneath the folder, you can create new folders. So I would suggest doing one for design bundles so you're able to separate which bundle you got it in, which folder it goes in, you know exactly where you bought it in case anything ever happens. So we have a folder for design bundles, and then we have a folder for Crafter's Delight Volume 3. I've done one already for the dandelions in there because I know that I will use those quite a bit. If we go over to Finder, let's do like the zodiac shapes. And the SVGs are right here. So we're going to come over here to the Crafter's Delight. I'm going to right click and do new folder, and I'm going to name it exactly what it's named, Zodiac Shapes, and hit enter. Now you can adjust where you're able to see your Silhouette program and your files. That way you can see exactly what you're doing as you're moving things over. So we are under the SVG, and I am going to go ahead and hit all of these and just drag them over into this Zodiac Shapes folder. And you'll see that slowly but surely it will load all of those shapes into my library. So what happens now is I'm able to just double click on one of these shapes, say like the Leo here. And now we have our cut file we're ready to use. If we hit send and it's on cut, you see your cut line comes on. So it's super easy. It's in your library. You can access it quickly. Let's go back and try it one more time. We'll go File, Library. Now let's come over here and let's see what these wedding silhouettes are for crafters. And we'll do the SVG. And we have 10 of them here. So we'll come over here to the Crafter's Delight, Volume 3. We're going to do a new folder, and we're going to call it the Wedding Silhouettes. And then we'll just make this a little bit smaller so we're able to see that in our window. And just hit Shift so you can select them all, and we'll pull them over to this folder. And then they're right here and we're able to use them and access them whenever we want. So now if you know for sure that you're looking for this specific thing, you go into your library, you go where you put it, and you're able to open it up and use it within your Silhouette program. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe before leaving. And thank you guys as always for taking the time to watch today. Have a great day.